Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is part of my tutorial series. I'll be sharing how you can copy the link to your YouTube channel. Now the link is those capital letter, small letter and numbers after www.youtube.com/. Okay, so that number, capital letter, small letter, you can copy it and share with your friends, colleagues and whoever. I will show you how to copy it in this video. Now those numbers and letters, you can change them, you can customize them to your channel name, but that will be when you must have gotten 100 or more subscribers, you've uploaded your profile picture, uploaded your banner, and you are more than 30 days old on your YouTube channel. Okay, if you are new here, you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. Now straight into the video. Launch YouTube app. Go to the top right hand corner, click on your channel logo there. Click on the three dots at the top right hand corner here, then select share. You can share it with any of these apps here directly, or you can copy the link and paste it to wherever you want to paste it. It's that easy, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, like, share with your friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Bye.